Replace cartridge on Delta 1300-1400 faucet and still won't shut off completely. Cartridge is brand new, bought last night at Lowe's.
Welcome, I will do my best to help with your issue. Did you clean out the valve body before inserting the new cartridge? Any mineral buildup in or around the holes in the brass valve body could cause a drip.
Yes. Valve body flushed and is clean.
Then, I'm sorry to say, the only other likely explanation is that there is a defect in the valve body and the only fix is to replace entire valve.
Oh. Okay. Thanks, XXXXX what I was already thinking. Don't really like this design. Too prone to problems. Think I'll try another brand?
Do you have access to the wall behind the valve?
Yeah. No problem with access.
Then replacing the valve shouldn't be too difficult. Eyes go with Kohler or American Standard. Both now use ceramic disc and have a lifetime warranty on drips.
Cool. Appreciate the advice. Have always used Delta, but they bombed on this design.
We stopped using Delta when the majors made ceramic the standard. Good luck. Please reply if you have additional questions or concerns. Please try again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.